Hi guys, here we are at Barnby Lane level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Here we are back again at Barnby. Still the same as she was before, with very old barriers and very tatty barriers. Look what they've done here. I don't know why they fitted them like that. Those netting parts there. Now, time is 13:01. And this is 4. Oster's gone, Claypole's gone, Oster's gone. We've got, this is 4. The 1305 671 whiskey from Middleton Towers to Monk Bretton Redferns GBRF. She should have a double stay because after that we're expecting. Yeah, there's a freighter coming. After that we should be expecting the 1306 1 Yankee 84 East Coast service from York to London King's Cross. Here comes the freight train. And there's no York to London King's Cross yet. I think she's pulling into this siding. Yep, she's pulling into the siding. Claypole's gone up. The barriers are down here, so it's obviously going over the crossing. Oster's gone up. I should have really gone on the other side of the crossing for this. '66 751. Here comes the other one. Oster's going back down again. As we'll get a double stay. That doesn't sound good. And here comes the end of 66 721. I forgot where it was. Here comes. The end stopped on the crossing. I think he's realised. Yeah, he's realised and he's off it now. You can stop now. There we go. And from this way, we've got a 43 coming. All these electronic wires that go into there. It's actually snapped here. $43,206. $43,277, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.